The following message is transmitted at the request of the insurgency for the surviving population of Namalsk. An EVR storm is about to arrive in the following areas: Vorkuta, Lubjansk, Jalovisko, Nemsk, Sebgen, Terra Harbor, Norinsk, and Bryansk. If you are in these following areas, please seek shelter, preferably at a low point under sturdy furniture, in a bathroom, or under a large doorframe. An EVR storm is an anomalous storm with properties that can negatively affect your health, such as shortness of breath, vomiting, high fevers, extreme migraines, falling unconscious, and in extreme cases, brain damage and death. If you or a fellow survivor is experiencing these symptoms, find shelter and supply them with food and water until the storm passes. Good luck. This message will repeat.